Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Quantum Systems unveils Pulse P19 multi-role aircraft for drone detection and defense at ILA Berlin 2026. Quantum Systems unveiled its Pulse P19 multi-role aircraft at the ILA Berlin Air Show on the 10th of June 2026. The German company presented the aircraft in the presence of Federal Chancellor Friedrich Merz. Pulse P19 is designed for airborne drone detection and defense. The optionally piloted aircraft marks Quantum Systems' entry into the medium-altitude and multi-role aerial domain. The platform is the company's first aircraft designed for both crewed and uncrewed operations. Quantum Systems said the aircraft was developed in response to the vulnerability of low-altitude and medium-altitude long-endurance drones in Ukraine and other conflicts. The company said Pulse P19 is intended to provide persistent mission endurance while offering higher speed, a more competitive cost profile, integrated counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems capabilities and high payload capacity. It said the aircraft is designed to support a range of missions, including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, training and counter-drone flights. Pulse P19 is developed and manufactured in Germany. The platform combines the flexibility of a modern mission aircraft with the ability to operate in manned and unmanned configurations. The aircraft is fully integrated into Quantum Systems' Mosaic UXS software ecosystem. The company said this makes it part of a networked, software-defined force connected with air and ground systems. Quantum Systems said the integration will support manned-unmanned teaming, Reconstrike missions and rapid integration of new capabilities. The unveiling reflected the growing importance of sovereign airborne defense capabilities for Germany, Europe and allied countries, the company said. The changing character of warfare has exposed the limitations of traditional mail drones, said Florian Seibel, co-CEO and co-founder of Quantum Systems. Armed forces need capabilities that are faster, more affordable and scalable enough to keep pace with emerging threats. Pulse P19 was designed to meet that challenge. By combining medium-altitude endurance with significantly higher speed and a more scalable cost profile than conventional platforms, it delivers a persistent airborne capability for detecting, tracking and countering unmanned threats, Seibel said. At the same time, it marks our ambition to become the leading neoprime for the unmanned era, Seibel said. The company said the aircraft expands its portfolio with a new medium-altitude air capability. Pulse P19 challenged us to rethink what this class of aircraft could be, said Lars Peter, chief engineer of Pulse P19. Instead of choosing between a manned aircraft and an unmanned system, we designed a platform that brings both worlds together. The result is an aircraft that combines speed, endurance and affordability with a clear pathway towards autonomy, but also rethinking how a modern cockpit design integrates tactical management software and interfaces for the pilots, Peter said. Quantum Systems said Pulse P19 continues its move from an unmanned systems manufacturer to a provider of integrated operational ecosystems across air, ground and software domains. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.